Looks like there's some kind of a spire way up top on the roof. A lot of dark clouds today. Over here in the Plaza area, we got this structure here. I guess that's glass, but this structure here will be the back side of where like a big LED screen will go, which is also going to be next to one of the public basketball courts. And also in the Plaza area, there are two cranes. One of them was moving something earlier. Little awning here you see in the foreground, and then back here there's now kind of a sort of a stage structure, the outer exterior parts, all these little bars. And over here you can see that another kind of little awning shaded area which connects towards the pedestrian walkway. This gate area here, this entry gate, we don't see anything right now, but according to some of the renderings, there will be pedestrian access over Century Boulevard. But I'm wondering if they're gonna maybe do that later, because they still have, this is kind of a in and out area for some of the trucks and things. So maybe they don't want to construct it just yet. That might be, maybe that's like a season away. I don't know how long it'll take to build another prefabricated structure, and then you'd do something overnight where you'd start lifting those into place and across, and you have to probably block the roads and stuff. But maybe that might be another year away. This other building facing Century Boulevard, you can kind of see some of the glass windows beyond the fence here. Fortunately, I can't really get over to that side because there's a lane blocked, and there's just not really a place for pedestrians to come through. You gotta go on the other side of Century Boulevard if you're gonna do any walking sideways. And we're over here by the escalator portion, where once you reach the top, see those little lamp ball things. I'll be very curious to see once, maybe around August, maybe July, we'll start seeing this more electrified at night. I'd really be curious to see how this looks at night. And this area over on the corner of Century and Prairie, which I'm gonna guess is a team store. So who knows? Could be a restaurant, could be something else. But I can't find any information on that just yet. I'm sure maybe there's some people working on the project. Maybe they could comment down below what this structure could be. But either this or perhaps that could be a team store or a restaurant. Some supports here over by that stage area I showed you. And there is at least one crane operational right now. Getting my first glimpse of the pedestrian walkway. Looking a little bit more finished. I don't know if that's going to be the final color or if that's a primer and it's going to match the parking structure and be white. But we'll get some more shots here up close. Here's a closer look at the pedestrian walkway. I'm guessing that'll be the final color. Well, it looks like there's some glass ceiling here. So I don't know if that's going to extend all the way across to give kind of a shelter for people walking across if there's rain, like today. But it looks like they have a portion of that. They have a Bragg crane that's been bringing materials up towards this area. Are getting some rain, which I can't remember having an Intuit Dome rainy day update. I've had quite a few back in the SoFi Stadium days where we got like tons of rain. Alright, here goes a piece of material that they'll be hoisting up. See some of that ETFE material, which is over by the top area that the escalator lets you off. (102nd and Prairie is where we'll see another Intuit Dome sign. Should be right on top of that concrete border. But it should be right on top or near this concrete border someday. Probably going to be one of the last signs we'll see on the Intuit Dome. We'll be able to take a look inside the VIP parking area, where I think all the players will be parking, and team representatives and maybe celebrities too. But this is the exclusive parking area that regular people won't be able to park. The Intuit Dome house next to the Intuit Dome still going strong. I think it'd be a cool gesture if maybe somebody with the Clippers or somebody could kick down some renovation money. Maybe just give this place, a nice makeover. Be a really good opportunity for publicity. And these people had to put up with a lot for the past, 2 years or so of all the construction, dirt, noise. Around the clock. But they were the only ones that held out. There was another duplex or something that was over here which sold.